Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi. You are highly welcome. On this channel I do skincare product review, I do skin talk, and I also sell skincare product. So if you are looking for original authentic skincare product ingredients, skincare materials, raw materials, just head straight to our website www.fougeesbeauty.com and look around. You will definitely find something that you like. Today is going to be a review, and we're going to be looking at the Purec Egyptian Magic Whitening Gold. So this lotion is for face and body, and it says 14 days action, and it contains 20 SPF, which is what makes it one of my favorite lotion. I used this lotion ages ago, like I think about, if not more than 3 years ago, and I really love it when I was using it. I used this lotion for like 6 months non-stop, and I was white. But I wasn't white. I would say my color was just so bright. It gives me this like very light skin, and it was so beautiful, all even, no issues with my skin, no white dots, no nothing. It was just amazing on my skin. And since then I've been selling this lotion like crazy, because when you use something and it works for you, it will be easier for you to recommend it to anybody else, because you can see the results on your skin. And I think that's why it makes me sell a lot of this particular lotion. This lotion was amazing. Like I said, the main ingredient is the egg yolk and L-glutathione, and it's supposed to be a face and body lotion, but I don't use lotion on my face. It's just something that I have never done, and I'm sure I will never do. But from my experience, some of my clients have complained that it gives them pimples, it makes them breakouts when they apply it on their face, while other people will use it on their face and they will say, wow, it was wonderful on their face. So skin differs and product works differently on all skin. So it depends on your skin. But for me, I didn't even use it on my face, so I can't tell you whether it will break me out or not. I just don't use lotion on my face. This lotion, one thing that I'm not really thrilled about in it is that, for me personally, as a dry skin person, it wasn't giving me the enough moisture that I needed. So I had to add oil to it. And I added carrot oil to it because one of the oils that it contains is carrot oil. So I decided to add more so I can get that more moisture, hydrating feeling that I needed. But if you have an oily skin, it might be okay with you. If your skin is not as dry as mine, you might also be able to use it without adding oil. That's entirely your choice. But for me, I added oil. So what I did was to just take 150 ml of this lotion. Lotion is actually 300 ml, and I added 50 ml of oil to it, and that was it. And it was good for me to use. And like I said, I used this old lotion for 6 months. I don't use lotion for that long, but because this lotion was so good, I was so tempted to continue using it. It was really good for my skin. And I think anything that has glutathione actually works really well on my skin. Maybe, I don't know, but I just think like it works really well for me. Now, for some of my clients that always like to mix, they just want fast, quick action, I always recommend Glutathione Comprime Serum. If you mix Glutathione Comprime Serum with this lotion, you will love the results. It will whiten your skin. It can give you up to 4 shades, if not more, depending on your current skin tone. It will really whiten your skin. The composition of the two serums, just the serum and the lotion, just work so well together. You would think that they were made from the same company. They just gel and gives amazing results. So if you're planning to add glutathione serum to it, like I said, take out 150 ml of the lotion, add your oil to it if you need to add oil to it, which is about 50 ml, and then add 30 ml of the serum, glutathione comprime serum, to it, and you will be glad you do. So let me show you what the lotion looks like. It's not coming out, you can see it's thick, but not like the thickest lotion that I've seen. And if I put some in my hand, it smells really nice. It has a very good fragrance, and is a little bit not easy to blend in. You have to rub to for it to actually, go get into your skin, as you can see. And you can see that it's not really glowing as much as I like, so that's why I added oil to my while I was using it. But if you have a oily skin, you might not even need to add any oil to it. This lotion is amazing and it works if you get the original. Now, one thing I'm not going to be doing on this channel anymore is to be saying this is what the fake look like or this is what the original looks like. I'm not doing that anymore, because after speaking to some of this company, I came to realize that when we do come on YouTube and we're saying all these things, sometimes we're enabling the people that are making the fake to know what they need to perfect on, what they need to, how much they need to perfect their product. So I'm not going to enable anybody anymore to do that. All I will advise you, my YouTube family, is make sure you are buying from a trusted seller. That's all I can say. Because even most of the things that people are calling fake on this YouTube are not even, they don't even recognize the fake or the original. Because unless you are buying directly from a company, you cannot claim something is fake or something is original. We're not going into that today. I'll just say, let me push that there. Now, lately, this new serum just came out. So this serum is not made by the same company. This company did not make this serum. But they have almost the same ingredients, and my client that have bought these two together have been saying, wow, this is another hot combo together. They just work really well together, and they also give amazing results together as well. So one of my clients, what she did was to add oil to her lotion, add glutathione serum to her lotion, and also this serum, and her skin was popping. So if you are somebody that wants this lotion to give you like 4 shades and above, then you can add those 3 things to it. You can add any carrier oil of your choice. It does not have to be carrot oil. The reason why I always go for carrot oil was because carrot oil was one of the oil that was already in the lotion. But you can add any carrier oil that you can lay your hands on, and you will still get amazing results. Please don't go and add an oil that is already being pro-mixed. Just use a plain carrier oil, because you're going to add serums to it. So don't make this lotion too strong that it will start to cause you skin irritation. Now, this is not a lotion that I would recommend for somebody who has a dark skin. So if you're someone that just wanted to start your lightening, brightening skin journey, please don't start with the Purec Egyptian, because it will give you discoloration. It will give you Coke and Fanta, body. So please don't do that. But if you're light skin, fair skin, caramel skin, you are good to go with this lotion, and the result will be wow, as in wow. So if you have used this lotion before, or the serum, please leave a comment. Tell me your experience. What did it do to you? Did it cause any issues on your skin? When I was using it, I didn't get any issues, nothing whatsoever. But some people have said they do get issues with it, but I haven't got any issue with it when I was using it. I used this lotion like maybe a little bit over 3 years ago, and I was very, very happy with it. I was on this lotion for more than 3 months, which for me was a long time, because I don't spend that long on the lotion, but it was because it was so beautiful. The result I was getting was so, so beautiful. So if you have used it, comment in the comment section. Please follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram is going to be more fun nowadays, because I'm going to be dropping products. I'll be matching products together, so that if you buy a lotion, I'll put a serum and a face cream, how you can combine things together so that you can get that flawless look that you need. So make sure you follow us on Instagram so that you can get that update every time I update that Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I need you to subscribe, because I know you enjoyed this video, so you can get more content like this. Please subscribe. Share this with your families and friends. Until next time, stay blessed.